Alright, so first thing you're gonna do is put the shifter in neutral. So turn it on, put it in neutral, and then get the ashtray out. This is gonna be one bolt, which is not there right now. I already have it removed, but it's gonna be right in the center. See that one right there? Okay, once you remove that, you just pull it out, disconnect it. Mine's already connected. I just put it in to give you an example. And then this is a really easy part. Okay. Just gonna grab it right here, both sides, right here. You can put your hands against the, let's see if I can give you a better angle. Right here, pop it up. Okay, pull back a little bit. Nothing special about this, just wiggle it a little bit, and it comes out. Then you can unplug back here. Right here, just push this one. Undo that. And then you have these two connectors here. These two connectors right here. This will be the start stop. This will be the emergency brake. Disconnect those two. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. And the only part you're gonna have to kind of work with is this side here where the start stop is at. Sometimes it's a little tricky to get. So there's like a pin you can pull out. It's underneath here. I can't show you. So this one doesn't have the pin. I guess I never put it in, so it'll be even easier. But there's a little pin that goes in here that I have in this one, for example, right here. This little pin right here. Pull it out, then you can remove it pretty easy. And that's pretty much it.